Hey you guys, it's Molly with Design Loves Detail, and today I'm going to share a few simple tips to add some fall touches to your home. I picked up this super cute wreath at Target and I love it because it's really minimal. It's for the front door, but I forgot to get a hook, so hence me holding it and not showing on the front door. But these are really affordable and I like how simple it is. It can really go for different times of the year as well, but it has that little bit of fall feeling too. Over here, I got this new plant. This one is another Target find from the Studio McGee collection. And I, of course, love olive trees. And this one's got a fun look to it. It's kind of just like a little bit free and wild. And then it comes in that cute pot, which I love. And then for the bench area, I just added a couple of kind of fall-inspired pillows with a little bit of this kind of wool-looking plaid. Really simple window pane plaid. And then this cute rest kind of looks like it's a hand-woven pillow. So those were kind of fun to add just a little bit of fall in here in the entryway. And then coming in here to the main family room, I kept it really pretty simple. The colors that I have in my home are already pretty conducive to fall, which works out well. These are a new addition. Just cute little wood chains, really affordable, so I'll link those because they're great for a bowl filler. I feel like a lot of times people don't know what to put inside bowls, but something like that is perfect and really affordable. On the coffee table, I just put some white pumpkins. I just picked up some at the grocery store the other day. I actually probably need to get a few more, but you can just kind of throw those into any bowls you might have just to add, you know, something simple and still keep it neutral. I did change up the mantle just a little bit. I got these cute candle holders. They're super affordable and they come in a set of 3. And I did the simple white candle, taper candles in there. So those are a nice little warm touch with the gold tones. And then this tiny little guy I thought was so cute and had that feel of autumn. So just to kind of balance the other side. On the sofa, I switched up the pillows a little bit. I actually got some that were the same as ones I used at the Flip House because I just was in love with them. These are from H&M, so they're such pretty ones. Really beautiful texture in these, just the really neutral fall tones. And this one is actually goes great with them. And it's from Target, just a little bit of that plaid. And then this throw, I love the color of it. Just that beautiful kind of mossy forest green color. And that was super reasonably priced as well. So it just adds kind of that warmth. I just love to bring in layers and textures and anything that feels cozy for fall, of course, because it also leads us into the winter. And so I like to have pieces that also transition well into more of my holiday decor. And so this green is perfect for that because it still feels fall, but also will work well for Christmas tone as well. Over here in the kitchen, I just brought over a few more of the little white pumpkins, and this cute bowl, this textured wood bowl is one that I got recently as well. Really good deal on that. And then in the dining room, really subtle touches here. I got this new pot recently and I'm in love with it. It has all the kind of found look to it. I love that collected feel. So it looks like pieces that you know, have collected over the years and are maybe vintage antique pieces. And then I filled it with these awesome greens. They're actually a preserved eucalyptus, seeded eucalyptus, and they have the most beautiful color. It's kind of like an olive green, but it has a little bit of a golden undertone, so it feels very fall. And then again, they're just really like that wild kind of, almost like you went out and picked it or cut it. And this kind of also reminds me of like wheat, the way wheat looks, and so that feels very fall as well to me. My bookshelves, my china cabinet, I kind of left the same, but I did add this cute little textured pumpkin in there. I had like a basket, and so this was a perfect little piece to swap it out for. So it has fall and then that beautiful warmth and texture in it as well. I love the woven pumpkins, they're so fun. Over on this bench, I did bring in a new pillow. This one has just kind of the brown and cream tone, so very fall again and just kind of tied in with everything else. I even did a new runner on the floor here. I'm trying out a couple different ones. I just ordered a washable one as well. You can see a little look at this. It's kind of got the brown tones in it, so it ties in, and then a little bit of the greens as well. So super fun. And then up on the shelves here, I kept this pretty much the same. I thought this painting was still perfect for the fall season. They do have these beautiful kind of like brushed brass pieces for your kitchen at Target right now, and I thought that had some nice warmth to it. And then this cute lidded ceramic container as well from the new Studio McGee Target line. So cute, and it has kind of that green undertone that I love so much. On this side, we have it pretty much the same. I think that the copper pans and pots and pans are perfect too for that warm autumn feel. So I did already have those, but I am loving how they're kind of pairing with everything else. This up here is a new addition, and it's so fun too. It's from Target again, a lidded pumpkin crock, so you could serve like soups in these. I think that'd be so fun. And I love that it's really still very neutral, but has that fall element to it. And they have both that size and then a taller one as well that's a lidded container. So it would just be really great for a tablescape. And one thing that I really like to do with my fall decor is I don't go too Halloween with it. My mom decorated for all the holidays, and I admire it because I get burned out from it. So what I try to do with my fall decor is be able to do it like the beginning of September and have it carry all the way through until I bring in my Christmas decor. So that means it will work for like Thanksgiving and all that time in between before I bring in my Christmas stuff. So yeah, that's kind of what I aim for with adding simple fall touches. And this year, we've been so busy with the flip house that I'm a little behind, so it was nice to just have really easy pieces to throw in that give it that look of the warm fall season without too much effort. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of future videos. And also check us out over on Instagram at Design Loves Detail for the daily deals and all that good stuff. And sign up for the newsletter too at designlovesdetail.com. I'll see you next time.